Hello there, business enthusiasts and decision makers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of ERP systems, those powerful tools that can revolutionize how you operate your business. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the multitudes of options out there, fear not. I'm Dave from AcuPower, and over the next few minutes, we're embarking on a journey that will demystify choosing the right ERP system for your unique needs. Before we set sail, let's start with the very first step: understanding your business needs. Think about the challenges your company faces, the hurdles that hold you back from reaching your full potential. Is it the labyrinth of spreadsheets you find yourself lost in? Or perhaps it's the struggle to manage inventory efficiently, or the communication breakdowns between different departments. Identifying these challenges is like finding the North Star. It'll guide you towards an ERP system that holds the solution to your problems. Now, as we continue our journey, let's explore some essential features that you should keep an eye out for when choosing your ERP system. First up, scalability. Just like a sapling grows into a mighty tree, your business is destined for growth. Your chosen ERP system should seamlessly evolve with your ambitions, supporting your every step. Moving on to integration. Imagine your business tools as a piece of a puzzle and your ERP system as the glue that brings them all together. A truly efficient ERP should integrate seamlessly with your CRM, accounting, and other systems, creating a harmonious symphony of operations. Customization is our next star. Your business isn't a cookie-cutter template, and your ERP system shouldn't treat it like one. Look for a system that can be tailored to fit your unique processes like a perfectly tailored suit. User-friendliness is a must. Your ERP system should be a helpful companion, not a riddle waiting to be solved. A user-friendly interface means that your team can hit the ground running without getting lost in the woods. Last but certainly not least, analytics and reporting. Think of this feature as your business's crystal ball. The right ERP system can provide you with insights that empower smarter decisions, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Before we wrap up, let's immerse ourselves in a real-life success story that demonstrates the magic of choosing the right ERP system. Allow me to introduce you to Mous, a UK company on a mission to create premium, industry-leading phone cases that will protect your phone even if you drop it from the roof of a skyscraper. They were grappling with data visibility, KPI reporting, inaccurate cost of goods sold, and transparency into the supply chain until they found an ERP system, Acumatica. They chose the Distribution Management Edition of Acumatica, which offered a single connected application with an open API. Mous can easily connect to Shopify sites, its 3PL partner, and tax application. It has automated workflows that trigger throughout the customer purchasing journey and easily accommodates multi-currency, no matter where its customers reside. Acumatica is the best reasonably priced option on the market and arguably as good or better than the big dogs in the market. And you don't have to spend the world to get all the benefits, says James Day, co-founder and COO of Mous. Selecting an ERP system is a decision that will echo through the walls of your company for years. With countless products offering similar features, it's easy to feel lost in a sea of possibilities. That's where our checklist comes in, a guiding compass to help you navigate through the stormy waters of ERP selection. Our ERP system evaluation checklist is your treasure map, allowing you to compare the features and benefits of ERP vendors across 5 crucial categories: productivity, functionality, technology, value, and risk. By examining how each ERP system measures up in terms of productivity, technology, functionality, value and risk, you can make a confident, well-informed decision. Remember, knowledge is the anchor in this journey. Armed with this checklist, you can confidently compare Acumatica, the leading cloud ERP system, with 2 other ERP giants of your choice. So seize the opportunity to set your course for success. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights that empower your business. Share your thoughts, questions, or your own ERP experiences in the comments below. Your journey towards ERP excellence begins now, and we're thrilled to be a part of it. This is Dave from AcuPower. Until next time, may your choices be wise and your path to success illuminated.